champagne. Hey Glitzglamfam, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm gonna do a quick little tutorial, just using some of the products from the box this month, so get excited. So this is gonna be from the May GLITZGLAMBOX. Please ignore my face, I had a slight incident, but the show must go on, so we're just not gonna mention it. And yeah, so I'm gonna use the Hollywood palette, which we gave out in October. And I'm just gonna use this color here because I'm going for a pink look since our theme is kind of pinky this month. By the way, guys, you know what to do. There's a button. You know you want to press it and subscribe so you can get top-notch content like this. I'm using my phone, so tell me what you think of the footage. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this all over my crease and kind of bring it on up into my upper brow bone just slightly. And I'm just gonna do like a pink look, I think, honestly, with just pink glitter because I just want to, you know? And this is quarantine, so we're just living our best quarantine lives, y'all. What are you guys doing in the quarantine? Leave me a comment down below. I'm trying to keep busy, obviously running the box. I have my full-time job also, which we're working from home. We've been working from home for like, I think since March, so over a month now, which I don't know. What do you guys think about working from home? I'm like, never thought I'd miss the damn office. It's just like, you know, when multiple people are home and it's like, it's just, I don't know. It's real special to be working from home and be stuck like with everyone. But not just that, like everyone's stuck with you too, you know? So, what do we think? This is pink. Okay. I'm always like, I love pink. Pink is my favorite color, but I just think it doesn't look good on me in eyeshadow. So I just never wear pink eyeshadow, you know? But we got pink shadows this month from PINKYROSE, and one of my favorite brands. And I was like, I need to do a pink look. But I had to give out all those shadows in the box. So I'm like, I'm gonna improvise. And I really wanted this one. It's like a hot pink shade and it's called Gumball. And I was like, oh my God, that's so perfect. So perfect for me. But I had to give it to the subscribers. But I'm like, okay, Chanelle, get over it. You didn't get a gumball. I did get some of the pressed glitter though, so that was good. So we gave out a shimmer. We got two shadows, so it was either a shimmer and a matte or two glitters. And I was like, I'm just gonna do a shimmer and a matte and then put the glitters together. So I don't know, I hope everyone's happy with their variations, but I was like, I thought it would be too confusing if I did like a matte and a glitter, and I didn't want to do two shimmers because I hate when I get all shimmers like in a palette and stuff. It's like you can't do a look with that, you know? So I just brought it down a little bit here, and I'm using my dainty brush with some of my hair in it. My dainty brush, and then I'm just you know, blending it up here so you guys can see. You might be able to see my little makeup incident. But you know what? It's real life. I'm just a normal girl who just, you know, happens to own a makeup company and loves to do makeup. So I'm gonna get another pink shade and then put glitter in the center of my lid, and honestly, lashes, and we're done. And yeah. Hey guys, ratchet style. I'm gonna use, I can't find pink, so I'm just gonna use this color, which is like a lavender. Yeah, you know, pink and purple go together like peanut butter and jelly. So let's give it a whirl. You know, my go-to is usually gold or silver. It used to be silver, more so silver, but now it's usually gold. I was like telling my sister, oh yeah, I don't know what look I'm gonna do for the tutorial this month. I was like, I could do my usual smoky, oh my god, this is so hard to get out. Smoky eye with nude lip. She's like, no. I'm like, whatever. Still smoked it out though. Got it, success. Okay, so these I use with no glitter glue. Because I love to live dangerous, and I mean, I've done it countless times. I just dig my finger in here like that, and look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I kind of just dab it on. I'm gonna put it on my lid only. Concentrate it in the middle because I'm gonna do my inner corner with something else. Here we go. Boom. Now, for some reason, I don't have the lashes from the box. I'm gonna see if I can find them. So I'm just gonna put on mascara for now. So you can see here. And then I'll just do this eye and I'll just put mascara on. I'm not gonna put on any liner because I didn't bring my liner in here like a crazy person. So when I do it with my finger and I have my nails, I just kind of step back and see if it's even. And this one is a little uneven. Now usually I would smoke out my outer corner, but I'm kind of just gonna leave this like this. It's a cute little quick look, just one shade on your, one shade all over, and then the pressed glitter on top. If you didn't get the glitter and you got a shimmer, you can use the same technique with the shimmer, just in the center of the one color all over your lid. And yeah. How cute. Okay, so I like, so I have hooded eyes. So I like when you close it and when you open it, when you can see some glitter above. Not like a lot, but just, you know, some glitter above. So there we go. Looks semi-even. There we go. And we do still have this. I just dropped my pressed glitter. Oh my god, we do still have this palette on the site. If you are interested, I can put the link down below. And we had the single shadows, but I'm just gonna put some under my lash line. Ratchet style, I just squeeze the tip of the brush and make sure you tap everything off. Unless you want to live dangerous like me, don't tap it off. Everyone's like, how do you do your makeup? I'm like, girl, how are you doing it in 5 minutes? I mean, sometimes I go all out, but, well, a lot of times I go all out. But when I'm in a hurry, I'm like, okay. So this, yeah, that was living dangerous. That was a little messy. I'm gonna take just a smaller brush and kind of clean it up. There we go. Ratchet style. I love doing stuff ratchet style. I'm like, whatever. Okay, so I have mascara here. I'm prepared, semi. I don't even know where I'm looking on this phone, so excuse me for being all over. And I'm not even gonna edit this. I'm gonna yellow it. I should have done a live instead and just saved it. Now I did do my face already. My lashes are no good. Hence why we put lashes in the box. So in the Glitz Glam box, so you can get your lash fix. Now, okay, we're gonna go over the lip glosses from the box, and anyone who knows me knows I am a gloss. Like, I just live for gloss. Like, I'm not a matte lippy kind of girl. Like, my sister wears matte a lot, and I love gloss, like especially glitter. Did I really just do that? I literally just took the mascara and streaked it on my face. It's you know what time it is. It's sleepy time. It's sleepy time. My sister was like, when you do your video, like, I don't have to film, but I film anyway because, you know, I like it. So she goes, when you do your video, don't say that you're sleepy in your video. You're always saying that you're sleepy, and people don't know you. They're gonna think that you're just always sleepy. And it's like, I am sleepy. What's wrong with me saying that I'm sleepy? So you know what I told her? I said, Lauren, hold on. I had to get my pressed glitter back because I'm gonna put just a tap more on this side. So I go, Lauren, you know what I think you should do with your advice on how to film? I want you to take your advice, put it on a piece of paper, ball it up real tight. I was like, no, she didn't try to tell me how to do my video, okay? The Glitz Glam fam knows that I'm sleepy, all right? Shoot, they know what I do in a day. I do way too much in a day. So if I want to say that I'm sleepy, then I can say I'm sleepy, okay? Because I am sleepy. What's wrong with being sleepy? People are, you know, working moms, you know. I'm a working auntie, not a working mom, but, you know, they might be sleepy. It's relatable. She doesn't listen. Y'all, honestly, I should just fix this. Hold on. Y'all, we're keeping it real in the quarantine, okay? Let me just, is that better? Hold on. I think, is it me? I knew when I put this chair so close to the thing, I was like, I'm gonna hit this. I already know. All right, we're just keeping it real for the quarantine, y'all. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, I'm over here talking junk about my sister. I don't even have my stuff together. You know, usually I'm so on point. I usually film days before we ship the box, but you know, that's all I'm gonna say about that. All right, I have to do my inner corner because, I mean, you know, this is America. I did have my liner. I thought I brought my liner and then I didn't see it, and then I was like, all right, whatever. I'll just do. I had my. All right, let's at least do my bottom lash line. Okay. Y'all, I'm all over the place. You know when I make mistakes when I'm sleepy at night? You know when I make mistakes. I love how. Now see, my sister asked me because she used this, and I said don't use it till you need to sharpen it because I hate that. Or just sharpen it. Look what she gave me back. You see? Now, if I'll be wrong. You guys have siblings? Let me know. Let me know who has siblings in the Glitz Glam fam, because siblings are special. Let me know if they drive you crazy and you just can't sleep. Y'all, what do you think? You know, I love to do my inner corner, so, and then I love using eyeshadow highlighter, but this one is very potent, so gotta be careful. Okay guys, the moment you've been waiting for, well, the moment I've been waiting for, lip gloss time. Lip gloss time, 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 lip. Champagne. I forgot. I brought a cocktail in here with me. And no, I haven't. Oh, there we go. No, I haven't drank any of it yet. Guys, because it's Cinco de Mayo. Hold on. For Cinco de Mayo, I have the Jose Cuervo sparkling margarita. So, hold on. Let me get the glosses out real quick, y'all. Which color do we want to wear? We have, my sister's like, the glosses are almost filled down. I'm like, that's awesome. That's fantastic. Well, which ones are you going to use for your video? And it's like, I'm going to use all of them. Duh. Okay. Well, you know, the one I wanted was, hold on, let me show you guys. I'm doing stuff, I swear, before I get my margarita. Okay, so the one that I like is this one because, you know, it's pink and pink is life. So these are some of them. We have other ones too, but I'm gonna go with my first instinct and use, which is Flirty. And the lashes are in the style Flirty this month from YaassGlitters. Okay, so let me just open this. Hold on. The wet glossy lip look is here without the sticky feel. And you guys know how I live and breathe for a gloss. Okay, I love how this video is so long and I literally just did one, like a half of a look. Guys, this is everything. I can't even sing because I freaking got a copyright for singing a song. So I'm like, I want to sing like heaven. These are the Very Juicy glosses from Rude Cosmetics. And they smell like berries and they're fucking fabulous. Alright, y'all. Boom. And look at this, it's so cute. And I mean, hello. I saw these, I ordered them. I had to have them. I had to have them, y'all. And we also got a rose water facial spray, which I'm going to spray in the unboxing. Hopefully I can find the lashes for the unboxing. You know, I was gonna take this ponytail down, but since we're quarantining, I mean, I think I might just leave it on. Like, what do you think? I don't know. Usually I'll put some hair down in the front. Like, you know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so like, yeah, okay, how does that look? I don't know. I can't really see that far, but you know, we'll keep it going. All right, guys, we're gonna do a cheers for Cinco de Mayo, even though I'm not posting this on Cinco de Mayo, but you know, you get the drift. Glitzglamfam, hang in there with the quarantine. I'm trying to hang in there. I'm just like trying to keep myself busy. Like, I have my little routine in the morning. Like, I'm working from home. People are getting cute at work. We're not gonna go there. All right, it's a pop top, ratchet style, ready to drink. And cheers. Oh my God, this is so strong. What's in here? We got these for my mom's birthday. Her birthday's on May 1st. Damn, mommy, what's in here? Happy birthday to my mom. Shout out to everyone who made it to the birthday party, aka on Zoom, because we're all social distancing. Okay, guys, and we took a virtual shot. See, now you know. All right, well, anyway, I'm gonna keep the time down on the video. So watch the unboxing. I'm gonna post that also. Till next video, guys. Bye.